Just got the JSAUX split protective case for the Switch 2. This thing looks way more premium than I expected, so let's check it out. Right away you can feel the quality. This middle frame is as flexible as you can watch as well. Honestly, between the comfort, the protection, and the storage, this is honestly a great case for the Switch 2. Definitely worth checking out. TPU material, so it's soft and shock absorbing, while the front cover is made from tough PC plastic. This is the part that keeps scratches off the screen. The design is actually pretty clever. It's a split case, so you can remove the Joy-Cons without taking off the whole case. And the back has this U-shaped cutout, which still allows you to use the kickstand if you want to. And this part is amazing. It has storage for 10 different game cards. So if you're traveling with your Switch 2, you don't have to, bring a lot of games with you. You can just store them right in the case. And I love how this grip area is so thickened and curved, so when you're holding it, it feels so much more natural. This will definitely prevent you from having finger strain during long gaming sessions. They also mentioned that it docks vertically with the case on, and the installation looks very straightforward. There's a video that